Welcome, and look at this beautiful poinsettia tree. Did you know that the poinsettia is native to Central America? And in 1828, Joel Roberts Poinsett brought them to the United States and shared with horticulturists everywhere. Today, the poinsettia is truly a plant that is synonymous with the Christmas season and is literally enjoyed all over the world. This season is a time of year of reflection, and we are so grateful for your allowing us to share the love of gardening through the Junior Master Gardener program with your children this year. You know, the poinsettia reminds us of the beauty of plants and how they can be used to improve the lives of children and families. We want to take a minute to reflect on what we've been doing, partnering with you to meet our Junior Master Gardener mission of growing good kids, even in the midst of the struggles of 2020. Now that is certainly something worth celebrating. Let's take a quick look back.
Lisa, we've done a lot this year. At the very beginning of the year, we made use of the winter months to bring together leaders from around the country for the national JMG leader training. In the early spring, as schools and offices first began shutting down, JMG worked to develop the very first live, virtual, but still very hands-on JMG group for 1,300 kids across the country. Early summer, we completed production of the Early Childhood Learn, Grow, Eat, and Go curriculum. This one-of-a-kind curriculum was developed with amazing Head Start and kindergarten teachers contributing. Next, we hosted a virtual Insects in the Garden themed summer camp with real hands-on camp-in-a-box supplies along with live virtual sessions. Then we shifted gears to develop the Learn, Grow, Eat, and Go virtual classroom here. This project has taken the very popular and evidence-based curriculum that's typically used for in-person learning and adapted it to being a very incredibly engaging and hands-on video-based virtual curriculum. And right now, JMG is in the final phase of production during a national piloting project. Currently, there are over 5,500 kids and teachers across the nation that have signed up and are able to access the free pilot of this full curriculum, now through the spring. Together, we've been able to do a lot, and we have you to thank for partnering with us towards our shared mission of growing good kids.
In the spirit of the Junior Master Gardener program, we are always learning, so let's check out this poinsettia up close. The bright red part looks like petals, but they are not petals at all. They are amazing leaves called bracts. They surround the tiny little yellow flowers as they grow. We love being able to partner with you and be just like those poinsettia bracts, and we surround and support those precious little ones, the flowers that are in our world, and we're able to do this with you through the Junior Master Gardener program. Our staff is small, and our program relies heavily on external funds and grants in order to operate, but we are so proud to have been able to do a whole lot this year towards our shared mission of growing good kids, and we have you to thank for that. It is all the work that you, the teachers, the school principals, our extension family of faculty, staff, and volunteers that have invested into the children and families in your communities. That's what's really helped our children to grow and thrive this year. So from our Junior Master Gardener family, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a healthy and prosperous New Year. If you would like to partner with us this year and invest in cultivating kids in your community, go to the link jmgkids.us/give. Thank you for your support.